All right, my friends, we are going to study pattern this week. So we are going to look at different kinds of patterns. There are 5 different kinds of patterns for us to use in our Romero Britto piece of art, and we're going to practice some this week. The first kind of pattern that we can look at is called the line pattern. So you can see that it is just different kinds of lines, and we repeat those. It could be an up and down line, a zigzag line, a dashed line, a loop-de-loo line. We looked at a lot of lines earlier when we did our Only One You Fish. The second kind of pattern is a shape pattern. So we are switching between a couple of different shapes and repeating that. Circle, square, that is a pattern. Triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. Or we can get fancy. Here I have a spiral, happy face, spiral, happy face. Or here I have ice cream cone, sunshine, ice cream cone, sunshine. So really think about the different shapes that we can draw and just switch them back and forth. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's how we get our shape pattern. The third type of pattern is a letter pattern. We can use A, B, A, B, A, B. Or we can even use 3 letters. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. And we just repeat them over and over. And that's how we get our cool patterns. You can also choose different letters. I chose A and V because they're upside down from each other. Or Z and N. Or the letter O and I. Or you can use your own letters. I chose N because my first name, Nikki, starts with an N, and my last name, Stone, starts with an S. So I have NS, NS, NS. Our fourth type of pattern is a number pattern. This is just like the letter pattern except with numbers. So we can go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or we can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or we can choose another number. Maybe we like the letter 8, or I'm sorry, the number 8. We can go 8, 0, 8, 0, 8, 0. Or if we like the way the letter 8 looks, we can just repeat that one number all the way across. And the final pattern is a color pattern. So we are repeating the color. So we're going orange, blue, orange, blue. And here we're going pink, purple, pink, purple, pink, purple. It doesn't matter what shape they are. We're just looking at the colors. Here we have pink ice cream, yellow sunshine, pink ice cream, yellow sunshine, pink ice cream, yellow sunshine. Here we have a green heart that's big. I'm sorry, a green circle that's big and a small circle that's red. Big green, small red, big green, small red. A heart is another good shape for your shape patterns. Okay, so what we're going to do today on Monday is just practice some patterns. I want you to practice 3 different kinds of patterns. So I'm going to practice first a line pattern. So I'm going to do number 1, a line pattern. And maybe I'm going to do that wavy line. So I'm just going to practice that a couple of times. And I'm going to try to get them right next to each other. You can use a pencil or a marker for this. We're just practicing today. So see how when I do a bunch of these right next to each other, we get a really nice pattern. For my second one, let's look at our choices. They are line, shape, letter, number, color. I think I'm going to choose shape. We talked about heart, and we have already drawn a couple of hearts, so I'm going to go ahead and do that heart. I'm going to do my V and put my 2 ice cream scoops on top. I do heart, circle, heart, circle, heart. Put that V down and those 2 ice cream scoops on top. Circle, heart, circle, heart, circle, heart, circle. Okay, now for my third pattern, what am I going to choose? We can do a line, shape, letter, number, or color pattern. I think I'm going to do a color pattern this time. And I'm going to do maybe a big square, maybe a star. Big square. Now to do a star, we draw the capital A and we really stretch out those arms. Give it really long arms. And then we connect one arm to the opposite foot. This arm to the opposite foot. Draw my square. I'm going to draw my capital A. So two lines, almost like a triangle. And then our line going all the way across. Really long arms. And then we touch this arm to the toes. Crisscross. Touch this arm to the toes. Square. I'll draw my star. I'll draw that triangle. Turn it into an A with long arms. Take my hand and touch the toe on the opposite. Touch the toe on the opposite. And then I said I was going to, right now I have two shape patterns, but I want to make the last one a color pattern. So I'm going to make my boxes blue, purple. I'm going to color those in. So I'm going to go blue, purple, or this, it's kind of like an indigo color, right? It's a little bit of purple, a little bit of blue. And then I'm going to make my stars yellow. So purple, yellow, purple, yellow. Now I have my color pattern. And if you want to color the other ones, you can do that as well. That is up to you. So this is my practice for Monday. I want you to practice 3 different patterns. And it can be any 3. If you want to do a letter pattern, a number pattern, and a color pattern, you can do that. Or you can do like I did with a line pattern, a shape pattern, and a color pattern. And then I went ahead and colored my shape pattern just because I really like to color. All right, that's it. This is it for Monday. On Wednesday, we are going to go back and we are going to continue working on our Romero Britto drawings, where we will add all of these cool patterns to our Romero Britto heart. So we drew the lines in last week, and this week we're going to practice our patterns today, and on Wednesday we will finish adding the heart patterns to our final design. All right, I will see you Wednesday, and have fun with these patterns, okay? Remember, 5 different types: a line pattern, shape pattern, letter pattern, number pattern, and color pattern. I want you to pick 3 to practice. 3 different kinds. Okay, have a fun week. Or I'll see you Wednesday.